I'm Scott with Starkey Family, fixing and rigging up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Today, we're going to haul flat stock. Okay, I couldn't actually show the loading of this, but I am going to show how I am going to secure this with chains and with straps. Okay, first off, I'm going to use 3 chains. So I went ahead and laid the chains where I'm going to put them at, and now I'm going to throw them over and hook them onto the side of the rub rail on the trailer. Okay, I've got my chains hooked onto the rub rail on both sides. Same positioning, all 3 back. Okay, I've got my chains tied on both sides. I put edge protectors down on both squared ends, which this load here, it does matter because the metal that I'm actually hauling is a softer metal. So what that means is if I go to tighten this down, it could actually leave an indentation in the metal. And we don't want to have this load rejected. Now, I was going to tell you, when you haul loads that are like this, you can use straps, which I am going to throw some straps in the middle. But you absolutely need to put chains on these to make sure that it is locked down severely tight. In the case that I would have to stop really quick, well, if I had straps on here, it's not going to be tight enough. And this metal will slide forward. Now I'm going to wrap the chains over top of all the binders. Okay, I've got all the chains wrapped around all the binders in all 3 positions. Now we're going to move to the straps. Okay, I've got all the straps thrown, which I'm using 4 straps. Now I'm going to go around and put edge protectors underneath of the straps and then finish tightening them up. Okay, I've got the plastic edge protectors on where all the straps are both sides. So now I've got to tighten up the straps and tarp the load. Okay, and because of the sharp edges on the front of all these stacks, I went ahead and got my roll of felt out. And what will happen is, this is like a pretty strong fabric. My tarp will be laying over top of this, and it will not be laying on the edges of the metal. So this will protect my tarps. It's a very good investment. If you don't have any, you need to buy a roll. And now I'm doing the back side of my load the same way. I'm using another roll of felt, and then I would just simply lay my tarp over top, and then the back side of the metal with the corners and edges will not cut my tarp back here either. Okay, now that I've got the tarp on, I can go around my trailer on both sides and pull out my bungees and start bunging the load down. Okay, I've got the tarp on. I've got all the bungees on here. So basically all I'm doing right now is a walk around, make sure everything is good, make sure I didn't miss anything. Everything looks fine. Okay, we're ready to roll. Hi, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, fixing and rigging up. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to watch my other videos that I've got on. Go and check out my other gaming channel. It is Starkey Family Gaming and Fun. Everyone have a good day.